All right, so here we're supposed to use the given annual interest rate R and the compounding period to find I, the interest rate per compounding period. So 10.59% compounded daily. Well, what we have to do is we're just going to say, okay, well, I is equal to our rate, 0.1095 divided by, now if we're doing daily, that would be 360. Now, one could argue, well, what if we wanted to do it with a different one? If we wanted to do 0.1095 divided by 365, because this one doesn't say which way to do it. This is the common way to do it. This is the uncommon. And what we can do is we can see if there's much difference here. And so let's do both of those. And let's get out of that, clear that. So we're going to do 0.1095 divided by 360. And so that's going to be 0.000304. And if we do 0.1095 divided by 365, it's just an even 3. So there's a little bit of difference here. So it's a little higher with the 360, but not much. And so let's write both of those down. So this one was 0.000304, which, if we move it to the decimal here, is going to be approximately 0.030%. And this one, that was 0.1233. And so that's going to give us approximately 0.003. Oops, too many zeros. 0.03%. And this one, that it terminated there, so really we can't go any further than that. So that would be kind of the thing. So they're both approximately 0.03%. Okay, so either way it works out. This one, as you can see, has a little bit higher number here, so it's actually a higher rate there. All right, so what about the next one? So we're doing the same thing, except now we're going to find the annual rate. And so we have 0.47% per month. And so we know that. And so what we're supposed to do is take that and convert it to a decimal, 0047. And that's equal to some rate. And we want the annual, so that's going to be over 12. Okay, so the rate divided by 12, because remember over here we took our rate divided by 360 or 365 and we got our interest. Now we have this one's per month, and so we have to divide by 12. So what does that mean? Well, we're just going to take 12 times that number. And so if we do that, we're going to get, I'm just going to use my calculator here. And so that looks like we get 5.64% after we convert it back to a percentage from a decimal. All right. And so that would be how we would do that one. All right, so let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.